Hello everyone and welcome back to 2-Minute English. Today we're learning useful expressions with the verb take. Take is a very common verb in English, but its meaning changes in different expressions. Let's learn some natural ones with examples. Number 1. Take a break. It means to rest for a short time. For example, I'm tired, let's take a break. She took a break after 2 hours of studying. Number 2. Take responsibility. It means to accept that something is your duty or your fault. For example, he took responsibility for the mistake. You should take responsibility for your actions. Number 3. Take care of. It means to look after someone or something. For example, she takes care of her little brother. Please take care of yourself. Number 4. Take part in. It means to join an activity or event. For example, I want to take part in the competition. Many students took part in the class discussion. Number 5. Take advantage of. It means to use a good opportunity. For example, take advantage of this chance to practice English. He took advantage of the free course. Let's have a quick review. We learned take a break, take responsibility, take care of, take part in, and take advantage of. Try to make your own sentence with one of these expressions in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe for more English lessons.